In this problem, we consider computing integrals from graphs numerically by computing the area corresponding to the integral in question. And the example here is now integral from -2 to 2 of the absolute value of the difference of absolute value of x plus 1 minus absolute value of x minus 1 dx. Our strategy here is to draw the graph of the function and to compute the integral as the area of the domain under the graph. In order to be able to draw the graph of this function, we first have to get rid of the absolute value signs. So we have to split the x-axis into parts so that we can get rid of the absolute value signs in these different parts. First, we consider the absolute value of x plus 1. If x is greater than or equal to -1, then x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, and its absolute value is x plus 1. If x is less than -1, then x plus 1 is negative, and its absolute value is minus the quantity x plus 1, that is minus x minus 1. So we get this splitting. For x minus 1, we get that it is non-negative if x is greater than 1 and negative if x is less than 1. Therefore, the absolute value of x minus 1 is x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 1. Otherwise, it is minus the quantity x minus 1, which is 1 minus x. So now we have split the function to be integrated. We have started with the innermost absolute values, and we have got rid of the absolute value signs in the inner part of this function by splitting the domain into parts, by splitting the x-axis into various intervals. So we get that the absolute value of x plus 1 minus the absolute value of x minus 1 is, first of all, if x is greater than or equal to 1, then it is the absolute value of x plus 1 minus x minus 1, which simplifies to 2. If x is between -1 and 1, then the absolute value of x plus 1 minus the absolute value of x minus 1, and the absolute value of this difference is the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 1 minus x. And this also simplifies to, it becomes 2x, or rather absolute value of that. And if x is less than -1, then we get the absolute value of minus x minus 1 minus 1 minus x, which simplifies to 2. So we have that the absolute value of the absolute value of x plus 1 minus the absolute value of x minus 1, which is that we had to integrate x if x is between 0 and 1. It is negative 2 times x if x is between -1 and 0, and it is again 2 if x is less than 1. So we have this decomposition, and using that we can draw the graph. The graph of this function looks like this blue V curve, and the domain whose area we have to compute, or whose area is given by the definite from -2 to 2, is the yellow domain. So the integral that we have to compute is the area of the yellow domain shown here in this picture. This yellow domain splits into various parts. First we have rectangles, then we have triangles. And the area of these rectangles is 2 in both cases, and the area of the triangles is 1 in both cases. So the area of the yellow domain is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, which simplifies to 6. So the answer to this problem is that the integral from -2 to 2 of the absolute value of x plus 1 minus the absolute value of x minus 1 dx is simply 6. It is the area of the yellow domain.